I'll show you 4 quick fixes to resolve the stretched screen problem in Windows 11. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then tap on appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. In the Programs and Features window, tap on the View Installed Updates on the left-hand section. Here, look for the most recent installed update. You can get the idea from the Installed On parameter in the list of updates. Just right-click on the most recent update and tap on Uninstall to uninstall it from your system. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall the update from the system. After uninstalling the update, restart the machine once. You won't see the BSOD issue again. At first, switch off your system. Then, switch it back on. After that, once your system starts up, just press and hold the power button again to force shut down your system. Just repeat this task for 1, 2 times more, and for the 3rd time, let your computer boot up normally. Your system will go to the automatic repair mode automatically. Once you reach the automatic repair screen, tap on the advanced options. Then, tap on the troubleshoot to troubleshoot this issue. Then, click on the advanced options to proceed further. After that, tap on the startup settings to view all the available startup options on your screen. Now, tap on Restart to restart the system. Here you will see all 9 possibilities of startup types. Then hit the F5 from your keyboard to select the Enable Safe Mode with Networking option. This will boot your system to safe mode but with networking capabilities. Now you have booted into the safe mode, you can just uninstall the app from your system. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then write appwiz.cpl and tap on OK. When the Program and Features opens up, you will see the list of the installed apps. Now, right-click on the space and tap on Sort By and choose Installed On. This will sort the apps from recent to the oldest. Then, right-click on the first app and tap on Uninstall. At first, press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Then, tap on the Device Manager to open it. When the Device Manager opens up, expand the Disk Drive section. Here, right-click on the drive and tap on the Update Driver. Now, tap on the Search Automatically for Drivers to make Windows look for the latest driver and install it. Once you are done, close the Device Manager. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then type mdshed.exe and click on OK. In the Windows Memory Diagnostics window, tap on Restart Now and check for problems. Recommended. Your system will restart and Windows will perform a check on your RAM. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.